Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I've got another AI box for you. Alright guys, that's the box. A little bit different compared to the other AI boxes which I had before, but it's nothing wrong about it. So you've got the name of the company and you've got the model CB6, and also you can scan the QR code which will give you user manual. So inside the box you've got a few cables. I'm interested about this one because my car doesn't have USB port C. Alright, you've got another one, some adapters, okay, some adapters, and the item itself, or AI box, I would say it's quite light. Okay, it's not heavy, it's plastic, as you can hear. Okay, you've got the name of the company, some few numbers, QR code again. So, and you've got few ports here, actually 3 of them on this side. So that USB port C, that's the slot for memory card and for SIM card. And what's interesting, inside the box you got your user manual, warranty, and there you go, you got also SIM card, which gives you only 100. I'm more than sure there's the 100 megabytes only for start. Yes, 100 megabytes. Okay guys, let's check the connection with the cable, which is very solid. Okay, I like it. That means the device will never disconnect with the cable or from the cable while driving. Let's connect now to the car and let's check after how many seconds this device. Let's start. Okay, we are ready in. Alright guys, so that's your main screen, and let's be honest, this main screen looks absolutely brilliant. I like the widget, I like the size, color and everything what you actually can find here. So it's very easy, very simple, it's nothing complicated here. Of course you've got only one page, you are not able to make another pages like an other device, this kind of device, but let's be honest, it's not necessary. So you've got few application here which you can change for other ones, okay, on very easy way. For example, the Spotify, if you want to change for something different, and hold for 2 seconds and then you can just remove it, for example Spotify, and add something different. Okay, let's say gallery, there you go, nice and easy. If you want to use your internet, you can just press the button and connect straight away with your phone. In my case, you've got your music player, and also what I really like, you got something like that. So when you press that small drop, you will see some few option: home, okay, reversing button, then all that application which you opened before, okay, split screen, voice command, speed up, that means they will clear the system, and the function or the widget to go back to your car system. If you want to go back to device, you need to press the widget from Apple CarPlay and you will go back to this system again. If you want to go to your Apple CarPlay, you need to connect with your phone by this function button, okay, and you need to find the name which was before on the screen, and now after connected you will be on your Apple CarPlay system from your phone. And just take a look guys, let's be honest, this system or this menu right now is much better for me anyway than the others or the original Apple CarPlay which usually I'm using on the system of my car. The widget are a little bit smaller, and you've got 3 line with the widget. Usually you've got only 2, but everything, you've got everything the same. You've got the map and all looks the same, okay, like Apple CarPlay, but the difference is the graphic, a little bit different graphic or size of the widget. Let's go back to the car, actually to the system. You need to press the car again and you are in the menu of this device. What else? If you click this button here, the widget, actually you will see all application, what you've got in the system, that the menu, and let's be honest, that's exactly like Apple CarPlay, the original Apple CarPlay, only the background is a little bit different. Okay, lots of application. You've got also the split screen. You can make something like a shortcut to the split screen. Okay, it's not connected to the internet right now. I will do it in the next few seconds. But as you can see, the split screen looks a bit different compared to the competition. And I will say it's even better. Why? Because it's up to you how you want to split the screen. You can keep it like that. You can keep it like that. Like that. Like that. On the other way. Even like that. That's amazing, because while driving you can, for example, you can listen to music from the Spotify or Amazon Music and use your sat-nav, okay, or do something different. If you don't need the bigger size of the screen with the sat-nav, you can, or your passenger can watch some movie here and you can use the sat-nav on the smaller one. That's quite clever. I really like it. Let's connect again with the internet. I don't know why I was disconnected, but before it was working very well. Okay, music, no, we don't need the music. We want to check the size of the screen on the Amazon Prime. Let's say if you want to watch some movies, because there's few difference. Look at that. You can watch, for example, some movies. All right, let's choose this one. And if the movie is on the 21, the cinematic 21 to 9, you will watch that movies on the full screen. Okay, that's quite nice, I will say, because as you can see, it's almost on the full screen. And compared to my phone, looks exactly like that. And my phone is the iPhone 15 Plus, so you can see the different. Okay, but if the movie would be, for example, only on the 16.9, 16 to 9, you will watch the movie only on the smaller screen. Let's go to my channel, and at my channel all movies are on 16 to 9. Okay, and as you can see, it's only 16 to 9, and the picture now is smaller just because it's not 21 to 9, and that's the size of my screen, I will say, a little bit higher than the phone, but it's exactly wide on the same size, but it's a little bit higher. So that's the YouTube. Let's do the split screen once again. You can do it from this main menu actually. Okay, how I did now. Okay, and everything works exactly the same. Okay, let's go back home again. From this side, the two first widgets are from the apps which were opened before. If you want to open some other apps which were opened before, there we go, easy peasy, everything works nice and smooth. Or you can clear here, or you can clear all of them on the bottom of this page. Yeah, we've got something here. Okay, so internet, Bluetooth, plane mode, screen record, even you can do, okay, or hotspot. Oh, that's quite interesting. Record audio, okay, touches on the screen. Oh, that's quite nice, I would say. Okay, but I'm not sure where is. As you can see, there is another white dot here. That yes, exactly, which following my fingers, and that's mean everything was gonna be recorded. You will see exactly where that was touched. Okay. Okay, and here we can find what we are looking for. And let's see that. Okay, agree. Hello. Yes, and as you can see, that's what we did, what we record. So you can record the screen. That's nice, that's really nice. As usual, please let me know in the comment below what you think about this gadget. If you like to buy this gadget, please use my discount code and the link which is below this video. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and in this case, your gadgets. And see you next time.